Introducing the brand new, patented, DMSU22SA, an exclusivity from WIKA. The DMSU22SA is a pressure transmitter specifically designed for the food and pharma industries. Due to its completely inline design, the liquids in your production encounter absolutely no dead spaces, and the DMSU22SA is sanitarily as perfect as a single tube. The DMSU22SA consists of a slightly flattened inner tube. When put under pressure, this tube has a natural tendency to return to a circular shape. It is equipped with strain sensors, which measure its deformation and convert it into a pressure measurement, thanks to an extremely reliable algorithm and a perfectly mastered calibration. This tube is up to 25 times thicker than the membranes of traditional sensors, which use diaphragm seals. As a result, its longevity is exceptional. The DMSU22SA is a dry design, which does not include any other system fill fluid. The intermediate chamber is completely empty, and is constantly monitored to guarantee the integrity of the device. In the very unlikely event of a problem, you would be notified immediately. The DMSU22SA now joins WIKA's family of inline design solutions. For more information on the DMSU22SA, please contact us.
WIKA. Smart in sensing.